So a buddy of mine invited me to go sailing. Down in Lake City, there are races almost every weekend, and he'd been crewing on a boat for the last couple weeks and invited me to tag along. If you didn't know, Lake City is located an hour south of the Twin Cities, just off the Mississippi River. Not only is it a beautiful place, but I was surprised to find out that it's the birthplace of water skiing. I was really excited to go sailing, as I've been sailing in the past, but I've never been part of a race. I was excited to learn the intricacies of what makes it so different. Not only that, I wanted to get a taste of what my friend will be experiencing next year when he sets sail off on his own. After some brief introductions and some safety tips, we headed off to the start of the race. Be that it was my first race and I had little to no experience or know-how of what the heck they were doing, I was put on the rail, and what that is called is rail meat. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm counterbalancing the boat to the additional weight. I do have to say I made some pretty good rail meat. I didn't mind because in the end, we won the race.
I'm going to take this opportunity to retire from sailing undefeated, on top.
Top of my game.
Top of my game.
I think you can definitely say that I enjoyed my first racing experience sailing.